Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to use Google Docs, Sheets and Slides without the need of internet connection in any computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open Google Chrome browser. So now you can see in the bookmark, you can see here bookmark bar, you can see your apps, right? So if you don't see this apps, then just right click on this blank area and you can see here show bookmark, right? So after that you can just click on this and now it will display all the apps that is being linked with your Google account. So firstly you need to sign in with your Google or Gmail account, whatever Google account you use. So firstly sign in, then after that you can see your Docs, Slides and Sheets, right? So here I will show one by one, so the tricks will remain the same for each one of them. So here say I will open this Google Docs firstly. Now it will take you to the website docs.google.com, so you can access directly or open this Google Docs by going to this website also. So right now I've been connected with the internet connection, so let me show you. Below you can see here I've been connected to the internet connection, right? So firstly you need to have internet connections to do these tricks. So after that you can see here on the left corner main menu, just click on it. Now you will see here settings, just click on it. Now you will see one option here written offline, right? So by default this option is being turned off, so just enable it. So you can see below setting up for online, click on OK. So you need to wait for some seconds. So finally it's analyzing and it will set you this Google Docs or any Google Sheets or Google Slides to work as offlinely. So wait for a few seconds until this setting is done. So finally you can see below here the offline setup is completed. So now you can use your Google Docs, Sheets and Slide without the need of internet connection. So let me just turn off the internet connections. So now you can see here I'll just click on disconnect. Now my internet connection has been disconnected, so you can see here no connections, right? So let us try using this Google Docs. So before starting, what I will do, I will just open a new tab and I will just go to the apps and I will try to open this Google Docs, right? So here you can see here, so here you can see on the right bottom a plus, so create new document. I will just click on it. Now you need to give a document title, say this, I'll put a testing and I'll click on start editing. So now I can see, now I can type any word, whatever I like, just like a word page. So you can see every file is working, so you can see all the options are working here. So you can see here everything. So now when you keep on typing, you can see something is going on. It's, you can see in the left top corner, save to this device, so it is automatically saved, right? So you can make this file as offline also by going to this file and make available offline. You can make it this file as available offline, so you can see document now available offline, so you can work it using this file. So let us go back to the apps and let me open the Google Docs. So you can see here now you can edit this file again in offline mode. So if you want to use and edit the file while using it as offline, then just don't forget to go to this file and just select this make available offline. Unless and until you select this make available offline, then you need an internet connection again to edit this file which you have saved using offline internet connection. So whenever you are working with in the offline mode, that is without using internet connections in the Google Docs, Sheets and Slides, and you want to edit it without the need of internet connections, then don't forget to go to this file and don't forget to select this make available offline. So this is the way how to use Google Docs, Sheets and Slides without the need of internet connections in any computer. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.